Hello everybody, welcome back. We're back on the Project A.S.T.R.O server. Okay. Yahoo! Today guys, last episode, we built that thing, or off camera we built that. We had the stuff for it.
And we got attacked.
We built it.
Oh, you died.
I died. You left me. You left me there.
Sorry.
Okay, well, today we're gonna try to get some. Is that a creeper?
What?
I swear I just heard a creeper.
I don't know.
I don't know. But today, we are gonna go to another mine something. That alpaca just spawned out of nowhere. But we're gonna go in the Nether and or we're gonna try to get enough resources to. We need a lot of quartz and blackstone and basalt or something like that for our base. Okay, we're gonna work on that. We could use deep slate. We could like make polished deep slate. Do we have a grindstone?
No, so we can make one.
Let's make a grindstone. I have a bunch of buckets of lava. I'm gonna make another chest.
We're gonna need 2 oak planks, 2 sticks, and a stone slab.
Okay. Why did I make a chest like that?
I can make the stone right now.
Okay, I'm gonna make 4 chests.
It's 2 pieces to make a slab, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where am I gonna put these? I'm gonna put these just back here. There you go. So these are just more chests to put junk in.
Alright. I do have building blocks for the nether, so.
Okay, yeah, grab a bunch of blocks, all the torches. I don't need that. I don't need that right now. I don't need all of these in the nether. These lava buckets go in there. I'll take these blocks. I'll take a stack of melons. I'll take this if I need more stuff. I'll take sticks. I'll take iron. Don't.
I got the slabs.
Okay, I'm gonna make a diamond pickaxe. Or no, I'm gonna save these for an enchantment table. I save those. I'll make an iron pickaxe. I'm gonna take this crafting table. I'm gonna make an axe. That's what I'm gonna make.
Okay, I made a grindstone.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I can make polished stick. Or okay,
I'm gonna just get some wood real quick.
I think we made the wrong thing.
What did we do?
We made the wrong thing. We called a stone cutter a grindstone.
Huh?
We need to make the stone cutter, not the grindstone. Oh my. We accidentally made the grindstone. Do I like not have cobblestone?
The stone cutter?
Yeah, so we need to cook stone. 3 stone.
I have some in the chest.
Yeah, I put some in the furnace.
Yeah.
Give me! Give me. Also, guys, we figured out how to screen record. I bought Minecraft on my PC, so now you won't see that weird fisheye lens on my GoPro anymore.
And you won't see my background either.
Oh yeah, we're gonna switch scenes, so you'll be able to see his perspective as well.
Yeah. This thing is right now.
Where is it? This thing. Yes, give me. Put that there. What is that? Chiseled? I say we use polished.
Yeah, polished.
Yeah, polished instead of bricks. Okay. Okay, yeah. So we got. So we just need to get a bunch of deflate then. Do you have any deflate on you? Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm just turning all the deflate we have into polished deflate. So I guess really all we need is a bunch of quartz.
Yeah.
That'll be a lot. So I'll put in the very back chest. That's gonna be our base building.
But then I'm gonna pickaxe.
I'm going to need an iron pickaxe. Okay. I'm gonna do something. I mean, I'm gonna do this. So they don't grow here. Can't grow in the water. Oh, sheep! Oh yeah. You don't remember? We got turrets.
Oh,
It killed me like 6 times.
For some reason, there's one in the tree over here.
Wasn't there 2 on the roof?
That's what I thought. Yeah, I remember we had to relocate it because they were hitting each other.
Oh yeah. So we moved it into the tree.
Yes, over here. Not proteins over here.
Ah, okay. Okay, well, you ready to go to Nether?
Yes.
Okay, I have some dirt. I'm gonna grab some cobblestone blocks. So hold on. Yeah. Let's go. Hopefully. First time into the Nether. What was that? Oh, he spawned in the forest. Ow! Bro. Oh. Don't attack the piglins. Okay, get quartz. We need quartz. This isn't a bad spawn. Yeah, there's some quartz over there. I saw some. Okay, level 5 now. Did you just punch a pigman? Oh, I'm gonna. If I broke that block, I'm gonna cry. It's your demise.
I was just trying to get some quartz, man.
Okay. Ooh, glowstone. I'm gonna get some of that. This could be useful. Okay. Give me this. Thank you. Yeah, get all the quartz. We need a bunch of it. I'm gonna grab some more netherite. Netherrack. Yeah, we should have. Later, I saved some diamonds so we can make an enchantment table. We just need to get the obsidian. Yeah, I got some diamonds. Oh! Get out of here. Here you go. This isn't a bad spawn. Okay, we gotta remember where the portal is. Or, no, we don't need to. Let me through. Strider!
There's no keep inventory on.
Oh, there isn't?
No.
Oh yeah, there isn't. Okay, so get that quartz.
So if you die, your stuff is done.
Then I'm gonna take a picture of the nether portal then. The coordinates then.
Yeah, you should go do that.
Uh,
That is gold.
okay, I need to like write them down somewhere. I can't take a picture in Bedrock. Does this pencil work? Uh, I need a pencil. Okay, I got a pencil. 71, 58, -16. Okay, so those are our coordinates for the portal. Okay. Um. Where are you?
I'm in now. It's kind of far.
Okay. I see an Enderman. No, I'll take this guy out. Which one does more damage?
Hold on.
Up, he's gone. Never mind. I take him. Where'd you go? Where did you go? Okay. Oh, I died. I died. The one thing when. Oh, my parrot. Okay. My, I remember where it is now. So, yeah, I gotta go. Oh god. Give me back. Nice. Oh, and I hear gas. Oh no, no. Oh, I almost fell in the lava. Oh, I see you. I see you. I see you. My stuff is right here. The baby piglin took my armor. Yo, look, come here. The baby piglin took my armor. Wait. Oh no. I'm gonna die. Why don't you protect me? Why is my parrot gone? My parrot's gone. I need to go back and get my parrot. Oh, the parrot. Oh, my parrot. I need to get my parrot. I need to get my parrot. My parrot. My parrot. I need to get my parrot. Where's my parrot? It better say it's not dead. I'm right here. The baby piglin took all my armor. It's right there. Oh, you need to protect me. You need to protect me. Holy! I'm gonna die. 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 Where are you? They're saying that. Where are you?
I'm kind of like in a tree.
Dang! I need you to kill him. You have a bow.
No arrows.
Oh my! I need my parrot.
Your parents done?
My parrot's in the Nether.
My question is, why is there so much piglin here?
I don't know. Do I have gold? We need gold.
I know. I need like we need gold. Oh, it's a dead.
piglins are gone. We got my stuff. We just yeah. Okay, protect me. I'm just grabbing all my stuff. Look at this.
That is a big hot.
Look. Oh no. Ian, help me.
Phoenix just
Help me. You stupid.
come here.
Help me.
How are you? Run,
I'm running around.
run. Get up here.
Oh.
Get up here.
Oh no, I'm gonna die.
Get over here. Look, there's a staircase right here.
Yeah, there's things right there. I'm at half a heart.
Oh, I'm getting sniped.
Where's my bird?
I'm dead. There's no way. I'm dead.
I hit the ground too. I fell from 2 blocks. From like
I'm at half a heart.
oh no. Where's my parrot? I need my parrot. Did it say it died? I don't think it said it died.
Oh, how do you say I'm half a heart?
Oh, I need. Where's my parrot?
I need to eat. Oh my god, how could this get any worse?
My parrot's dead. That's how it can get worse.
I know where it died. It's just I need to go over there really fast.
I need to get my stuff. That little piglins took all my. Oh, my hoglin. Oh, I hate hoglins.
This is a terrible idea.
Why do we go to the Nether? And there's piglins down there. Ah! Nope, I'm going back to the Nether portal.
What's going on with it? I need to get myself.
Help me. My steak! Oh. Yeah, good luck getting your stuff. You know what? Give me my armor back. My armor! No! It dropped on my armor. Yeah, it dropped on my armor. The turret's working. Okay, I killed the piglin. It dropped my armor. I need it. I need to get that back. But the problem is, there's a hoglin right next to it. You died? Didn't you die near a tree?
I died but in a cave.
Oh. Oh, there's a piglin! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I got my armor. My stuff. Oh, but he's right here! Oh, no. No. I ain't doing that. No, I'm building up.
Oh god. I'm pretty sure I was around here. I died around here. Holy crap.
Okay, I don't think I got all my stuff.
I know where I died. I see my stuff.
Okay, I think. Okay, I'm coming. Die! Okay.
I'm not pretty low.
Okay, I need my bird. Where is my steak? Where's my steak? Oh, there's just some of my stuff down here.
Is there more stuff?
Ah, but there's a pig in. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, I almost jumped in the lava. I
just realized I have a gold thing and I never wore it. You need some help?
Yeah, there's a pig that's trying to kill me.
I see that. I'm eating something here real quick.
Yeah, I'm eating.
I'm going. I got it. Alright, I'm getting out of there.
Oh my.
But am I missing anything? No, I got
Oh, okay, that's you. Okay,
Yeah.
didn't it drop pants?
I don't know. I didn't pick it up.
Okay, well, can you give me the helmet so I can go get my bird?
Yes.
I don't think it said it died. No,
You have your pants?
yeah, it didn't say it died.
You got the pants?
Got the what?
You got the pants.
No, I don't have the pants. Just don't come over here. I'll come back. Hopefully with my bird.
Does it gold? Like a golden nugget?
Where's my bird?
It's working. Oh no. They found me. They found me. Uh-oh, they're coming.
Where's my bird?
Oh,
Oh. I need to find my bird. Where's my bird? Oh, there's a gas right there. Where's my bird? I could have untoggled it. It could be flying somewhere. So I have no idea. Good for you. Where's my bird? Where's my bird?
Where is your bird?
It's somewhere in the Nether.
Can you bring back some gold? No.
I'll try. Ah, Hoglin still do things to you.
Do you need lots of quartz?
Yeah.
I can craft like 8.
Okay, good. We need like a lot. We need like thousands.
Well, I crafted 8.
Where's my bird?
It's under like a wing. No.
Where's my bird?
Where did you even find the bird in the first place?
I saw it flying around in the acacia biome. Or somewhere in the forest. I saw it flying around.
No, guys.
Huh?
It was in a jungle biome. I remember we spawned here in a jungle biome.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm just trying to find it. It's down.
We're gonna go back to the jungle. Oh, there's golden stuff in there. I want that.
Okay, help me find my bird.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. This time I have the base.
I might have unclicked it and it might be flying somewhere.
It was sitting down, right?
Yeah, it was sitting down. It should, I think so at least. It shouldn't have done anything.
Hello, hello. Oh my, this guy is stacked. Can you like, I'm gonna push you off.
Birdie, where are you?
Push the bed later.
I don't know. I died everywhere. Where's my bird? I didn't. It was on the crafting table and I spawned on the crafting table. Good luck with that. I don't want that. Where's my bird? Where is my bird? My bird is nowhere to be seen.
Come back and have a course in a while.
It probably untoggled and it started flying somewhere.
Because they fly everywhere.
Yeah. Oof, that's so annoying.
What?
Rip bird. Ah, Hogman. Okay, well, guess we just find quartz then. There's nothing else to do. We can't find. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It probably flew.
It's long gone now.
Oh! No more bird.
Why is that guy going crazy?
I don't know.
Why is there birds underground?
He would be dead.
Then what is this guy doing? He's like, look, you see? He's like climbing down.
What?
He keeps climbing down.
No, that's Steve. Yeah, I think my bird's gone.
Pretty much. If we ever find a random bird,
It's mine. Okay. No, I'm heading back. Okay, let's head back. Oh, the gas just spawned.
Why is there so much of
Hey, guest! I know, I'm trying to kill it first. Holy! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna die! 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 I'm not dead! I'm not dead! Okay, I'm going in. I'm going in. Hurry! You better hurry! Okay. You know, my parrot's gone now. My parrot's gone. You got a crossbow?
Yeah, I got 40 pieces of Nether quartz.
Okay, well we need to make blocks.
So see, I have 10 right now. And then there's 18 in the chest.
I made 6. So I got 24 blocks right now. It's raining for my parrot.
It just stopped raining.
It stopped raining. It's a second. It's like, who cares? It's raining over. Oh, it's raining over here. It's raining in one part.
This is weird. Look. Why is there a zombie with full golden armor?
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna get anywhere with that.
No. Oh my god.
Oh, oh my, oh my. Oh, it's shooting me. Not again. It's how they hide, stupid. He has cyan dye. And nothing good. That zombie has a chainmail helmet. Kill him. Oh, let's go to bed. Hurry. Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. Okay, guys, well, I think that's where we're gonna end the video. Hope you make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and hope you enjoyed. Bye.